Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to message someone on Tinder. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Tinder app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Note that in order to message someone on Tinder, you will first need to match with them. For that, you can either swipe right to like someone or swipe left to pass. If the person you like also likes you back, then it will become a match. Once there is a match for you, simply tap on the chat cloud icon at bottom right corner and that person will appear on this screen. You just need to tap on their profile icon and then start conversating with them. So that's basically how you can message someone on Tinder. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.